Hey PokeTubers, you might have heard word on the street that I have 6 booster boxes over from Japan, 3 Psycho Drive, 3 Hail Blizzard, and I was thinking I'm going to start me with some Hail Blizzard because I haven't seen a lot of this set. Sasuke only opened 1 box, but I'm going to open 3 because I'm compulsive and whatever. So get me some scissors and let's get into this. So excited about it. I couldn't believe it when I got home and I'd missed the postie and I had a note saying that my box is here, and I was like, what have I ordered? And then I was like, I only ordered this on Thursday and it's Monday and it's coming from Japan. Freaking incredible. Alright. So, oh gosh. There we go. So we've got Kyurem here on the front, which is pretty epic. Caught him in the game. Then we've got Pikachu and Lapras, Kyurem silhouette, Bishop, and that's one's got a funny name. What I'm going to do right now, while I'm talking to you guys, is just bring up Bulbapedia so I can say all their names in case I get lost. I was going to do it before I started filming, but yeah, as again, with the compulsiveness, yeah. You guys are going to have to remember that this is a running theme of my shows. I'm very compulsive and whatever. So, yeah. So we have our Hail Blizzard booster box to start with today. And, yeah. Let's get going. Got my Bulbapedias up. I know most of their names, it's just I forget some of them, the more obscure ones. Especially the ones that don't feature in the black version of the game, because then I don't see them. Alright. First pack of Hail Blizzard. Oh, so this comes with a code card. So I'm not sure if that works online in the regular ones, so let's have a look. Okay, so we've got this one, which I'm going to have to cheat. This is Vanillish. Got a Tranquil. Now this, funnily enough, this artwork just featured in our Emerging Powers set. We've got a Litwick, which is kind of cute. God, what is that? That is a Cryogonal. God damn, how am I meant to know that? And a Weaver. Very nice. So I'm pretty sure those are online codes, but I'm not sure if it's for our game or not. I'm just trying to read, but I don't speak Japanese. It's totally awkward. Totally awkward. So these are all first edition, which I didn't know when I bought them, so yay! Win! Oh, these Japanese packs are so hard to open. I was going to try and do my fingernails like Sasuke's girlfriend, just so, like, to pay homage to their channel. But I don't know where you get them done, but oh my god, they're amazing. And I cannot top them. Alright, so we've got a code card. And this one is, God, once I've done them once or twice, it's a Pawniard. So everyone giggle at the funny name, right? Darumaka, Pansage, wow, Arcanine, I love Arcanine. Oh, that's awesome. And a Sawsbuck. Again, the artwork featured in our Emerging Powers set. So that is awesome. I love Arcanine. I'm so glad that the old Pokemon are making a return in this set, in these sets, just because I love them so much. The old Pokemon, that is, like, oh my god, I can't open these packs. There we go. Code card. Right. So we've got a Hippopotamus. Cubchoo, that's like a big booger. That's just gross. He's flinging that booger at you. I do not approve. Just saying. Growlithe, that is so cute. I think it looks like Kovu. Just saying. Sawsbuck again. And the Pokemon Center, which is one of the first stadium cards in the Black and White series. FYI. Right, oh. Just trying to set myself up a little bit so I don't make a huge mess. This is so much fun. Oh, I was so excited. I don't know how to open these without destroying them. Did I have this problem in my black and white videos from Japan? I think I did. It rings a bell. I just remember them being very hard to open. Okay, so I'm going to have to look this name up. Number 30. It's Elgium. Elgium? That's what I think it is. Anyway, that's how I think it's pronounced. Pidove? Dealing. Oh my goodness, that's Groudon EX. That's not the full art version, that's just the regular holo version. But holy moly, does it look cool. Just, oh my gosh. It's just so epic. I hope that these translate just as well into English and like look this good in the English version, because wow, that is an amazing looking card. Like, it totally trumps level X's, EX's, gold stars. Just looks amazing. Wow. That is so awesome. Right. Oh dear, I'm going to have to look this one up. What's that? Pikachu. That's right. I'm familiar. Sneasel. Wigglytuff, Fungus, and what does Elgium revolve into? Behium. Behium? How am I supposed to pronounce these? They're not even in English. I mean, even the Pokemon that, even the names that are in English are not in English. They're in crazy Pokemon language. They name new ones and I just can't pronounce them. That's cheating time. There we go. Much better. Much better. Alright, so we have Vanillish, Growlithe, Dealing, Lapras, and a Raichu. That is a super cute Raichu. He's like got his balloons and he's like, yeah, party time, let's go. Woo, Raichu, woo! You just know that's what he's saying, FYI. How do you know that's what he's saying? Because look, he's got balloons. Who isn't happy when they have balloons? And he's smiling like, woo, I've got balloons. So, just, yep. That is pretty much the gist of things. These packs just don't open, that's it. Cheating, cheating. I know, but I'm going to be here all day opening packets. Alright. We've got Elgium. Oh, I think, is this one Fungus or is the other one Fungus? This is Fungus and the other one was Amoongus. Sorry. Darumaka. Ooh. Chandelure. So this is the last stage, which is Chandelure, which evolves from Lampet, and an Unpheasant. Again, featured in Emerging Powers, that artwork. Pretty cool. Yep, so I've given up trying to open these packets. Wait until I cut through like a whole lot of cards and it's got like a full art in there. Right, so we've got a Litwick, Jigglypuff, Hippopotas, Unpheasant, and a Hippowdon, which is pretty cool. How many packs are in here? Got 2 more packs for this video. Alright. I'm going to open them both. There we go. Now that's economy. So we've got Growlithe, Jigglypuff, Pansage, Lilligant, And another Weavile. Nice. Righto. Wow, we've got Curlier. Nice. Pawniard. Pawn. I'm that immature, yes. Pansage. Whoa, look at that Lucario. Epic. And a double colourless energy. Nice. So, pretty good pulls so far. We got one EX, which is Groudon, which just looks amazing. And yeah, so stay tuned for the next 10 packets of this Hail Blizzard set. And then from now on, I'm going to try and go a bit faster because I've been told my videos are a bit long and people want them to be shorter so that I open more packs in less time. But you have to remember that I want to enjoy opening the packets. So I'm not going to like just go because I spend a lot of money and I do want to sort of remember it. So yeah, so I'm sorry if I go too slow for some people, but I do try. Okay, so just give you one more look at that Groudon EX just because it looks amazing. Look at that bad boy. He's like, raw, I'm going to come out of this car and punch you. Raw. Anyway, that's enough. Bye.